New technology is giving women back their freedom. It allows them to laugh and exercise without any worry. It is the only FDA-approved non-surgical treatment for urinary stress incontinence, and it is available right here in the Tri-Cities exclusively at Changes Medical Spa. Here with more now is Dr. Richard Jackson. And Dr. Jackson, great to have you on the show.
Thank you, Annie.
We were talking earlier, it's kind of one of those topics that's a little bit uncomfortable
Right.
to talk about, but a lot of women suffer from this type of problem.
They sure do, and it can be women of any age. It usually starts after childbirth, not always, and it tends to get worse with aging, and it typically is made worse by things like smoking and being overweight, but it can occur in just about any woman. We've treated women as young as 20 and up to in their 70s.
And
with good success.
It seems like in years past it was very invasive. It was surgery and it was a lot of recovery time, and there wasn't a lot of help out there for women.
Well, the most common treatment that people used was just pads and adult diapers if it was that severe. And about half of women never even talked to their doctor about it. Medications aren't very effective for this type of incontinence, stress incontinence. And surgery is done. It is probably appropriate for women with really severe forms of it, but it has a high rate of complications. Yeah. And our treatment doesn't require any surgery. There's no sedation, and there's no downtime. People can have the treatment done, and then they can drive right afterwards. They can go back to work. There's no downtime. That
is huge, a huge relief for a lot of women. And you've already been doing this procedure. You've helped women in 4 different states,
right.
and so far everybody's just having great success with it.
Sure are. Everyone has been happy with the results of their treatment.
How does the procedure work then? I understand one treatment, and they already are feeling some relief from that one treatment.
Right. It's the effects are immediate. They are probably not lifelong. Typically, we recommend a second treatment somewhere within a few months to a year after the first treatment to give a longer lasting result. But we've found that everybody that we've treated for stress incontinence has responded well. Doesn't work for other kinds of incontinence.
Now, Dr. Jackson, is it painful?
The inside of the vagina doesn't have a lot of nerve endings, and people typically don't feel any discomfort at all. As far as nearing the opening, there are more nerve endings there, and we apply some numbing cream a few minutes before the procedure, and that typically makes it very comfortable.
And you said afterwards they're able to drive, they're able to go back to work, and they start feeling those effects.
People may have slight tenderness, but no pain after the procedure. There may be a little bit of clear discharge for a couple of days, but people are able to go back to work or do anything they want.
And get their life back for
Right.
a lot of these women.
Right.
Well, you have a lot more information on your website. There's also a video there if you want to learn more. Always important information to get across to our viewers, and we'll let everybody know right where you're located. It is Changes Medical Day Spa. It is right there on Pinnacle Drive in Johnson City. You can check out the website for more information on this procedure and some of the other things that they do at Changes as well.